This is your assignment for Friday. There were some people who missed on this one on our block days, so this is your assignment on Friday to do the practice special triangles 45, 45, 90, okay? You got 6 problems, right? Well, I'm going to show you how to do a couple of these, all right? First thing is, let's put down our normal, our ratios, okay, for our right 45, 45, all right? I'm going to call this x, or 1, and this right here is going to be the square root of 2 over 2x, square root of 2 over 2x. So if this is 1, that would be the square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. All right, let's give it a, let's do an example now where we have the hypotenuse is known. The hypotenuse, 45, right angle, we'll make this 3, okay? So we know all we have to do now is, you notice right here, we just have to take the x, which is 3, and multiply 3 times the square root of 2 over 2. And then we're done. That's it. You cannot simplify that any further. Let's try another one. Let's see here. Here we go. Let's try this one right here. All right. And we'll do this right here. So that's a 45, right angle. So I'm going to make this 2 square root of 3. Square root of 3. There we go. So all we got to do is take that, multiply it, because this is the x, multiply it over here by the square root of 2. So that's going to be 2 square root of 3 times square root of 2 over 2. Those cancel. Square root of 3 times the square root of 2 equals the square root of 6. And you're done. All right? Now, that's the ones with the hypotenuse. Let's do one where we know the leg, and we're going to try to find x, the lousy line there, 45, 90, and 90 right angle right here. So let's make this leg right here. Let's make this one 3, all right? Let's just make this is 3. So now we say, well, in order to do that, in order to find this leg right here, we'll have to say that's going to be equal to square root of 2 over 2x. Right here. Remember this up here? So cross multiply, I get a 6 equals 2 square root of 2x. Divide that both sides, so x is going to equal to 6 square root divided by the square root of 2. I have to multiply that by the square root of 2 over 2. All right? That becomes 6 square root of 2 over 2. That goes into that, makes that a 3. So my answer is x equals 3 square root of 2. I'm going to do one more of the leg. Let's do one that's a little bit more complicated. Let's do this one right here now. Now let's take the leg, 45, 90. We'll make the leg 3 square root of 3, all right? We'll make it a little bit more complicated. So what now? We remember that's going to equal to this. So 3 square root of 3 equals square root of 2 over 2x. Remember, we got to do this simplest radical form. Cross multiply. I get a 6 square root of 3 equals the square root of 2 times x, all right? Divide, so x is going to equal to 6 square root of 3 over the square root of 2. Cannot leave that in the denominator, so I got to multiply it by 1, which is the square root of 2 over 2, right? This right here becomes what? That's going to equal, let's take this down. The 2 times, right here, if I look here, what do I have? I got a 2 times a 3, so that's going to be 6 square root of 6 divided by the square root of 4 equals x. Square root of 4 is equal to 2, right? So that's going to be, that will make, that's a 2 now. That will go to that 3, so my answer is going to be 3 square root of 6 equals x. Thank you. So you got 6 problems to do.